Is your car's engine making strange noises? It could be a sign of a bad timing chain. A timing chain keeps the engine's crankshaft and camshaft in sync, but when it starts to wear out, it can cause a whole host of problems. First, listen for a rattling or rumbling sound coming from the engine. This could be a sign that the timing chain is loose or worn out. Another symptom to look out for is a decrease in engine performance. If the timing chain is off, it can cause the engine to misfire or run poorly. But the most obvious sign of a bad timing chain is a check engine light. If the timing chain skips a tooth or jumps, it can cause the engine to run rough and trigger the check engine light. If you suspect your car has a bad timing chain, don't ignore it. A worn-out timing chain can lead to serious engine damage if left unrepaired. It's important to get it checked out by a professional mechanic as soon as possible. So if you're hearing strange noises or noticing a decrease in engine performance, don't wait. Get your car checked out today and avoid costly repairs down the road.